Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Volkswagen Caddy. So from any screen, we're on sat-nav at the moment. You will notice that when you put your hand up, you get further instructions along the bottom, but we don't actually want any of those at the moment. We want menu here. Click on menu, and then we just go along to settings. Oops, I've just done the wrong one. We'll just do that again. Big Mars bar fingers. Settings, so make sure I get the right one. Settings, and then you'll see here screen language, more keypad languages, mobile device data transfer, remove safely, select device. What we need to do is just go down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, and you've got there Bluetooth. If you're having problems connecting, do the same thing. Make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there. See there's no tick, so nothing would work. So just click that tick in there. And also, if you can't connect Bluetooth audio, make sure there's a tick in that one too, like there, see? So tick in that. Anyway, what we need now is paired devices. Click on paired devices. You see Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there, bin. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone Pro? Yep, delete. Sun's just come out now, which will probably cut my video up. And that's it gone. It's as simple as that. So, okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 VW Caddy. First of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. It's already come up. However, if you go to phone, you'll see there, find mobile phone, but it's already connecting. So if it wasn't, just click on find mobile phone. So we click there to select VW BT8523. Do the numbers, the passkey match, 402, 483, well yes they do. So click that and also click yes. Pairing with Barry's iPhone 13 Pro successful. Allow contacts and favourites to sync there, allow. That's it, that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Volkswagen Caddy. We go over to music, we make sure we'll put music on, playing. I'm going to turn that down. The most important bit at the bottom is VWBT. There you go. If I click on the silver triangle and the silver circles, you've got two options there, what the music's going to come out of. Either iPhone there or VWBT8523. We want that, so there's a tick next to it. We go back over to here, we go to media, just put that down. My Amazon Prime delivery there. We just put that down. So that's what's going to play. We go over to media, click on media, and we need source. If it comes up on BT audio, fine. If not, if you go to it and it comes up on auxiliary, you click source, select BT audio, turn it up, click play, turn this up. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Volkswagen Caddy. So from any screen, it's on phone at the moment, you want nav up here. Click on nav. Now just watch out at the bottom there. There you go, it's disappeared. Sometimes you'll switch on, especially if you're new to the car, and they don't appear to be anywhere to input your destination. If you put your hand towards the screen, then this set of buttons, touch screen buttons, come up on the sat nav. New destination. Click on new destination. It's the first time, so you've got to agree you're not going to be distracted and so on. The entry bar is in the top. We want Grosvenor Garage, we're Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A, PR5 4EA. It brings up there Lancashire, so you've got to select it's the right one basically. So we'll click on that. That's it, PR5 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, United Kingdom. Again, after you've just clicked on it to make sure, then you've got to click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
That's it. It's quite simple. Gives you 3 choices. The fastest one, including motorways, I think is the top one. So that's the one.
Please follow that A675 for 100 yards.
So that's it. That's how you do the sat nav. Another thing, when you get close to your destination, or you get onto a motorway, and you know, I mean, you're coming back from London. You want to get on the M1. Once you're on the M1, you know the way. You know the rest of the way. So you want to stop directions. So again, there's nothing on the screen. You put your hand up to the screen. You click route, and then stop route guidance. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.